Hi guys, this is Jared from Lectec, and today I'm going to walk you through the Lectec Electric Skateboard Kit. We'll go over what's inside the box, how it works once it's built, and what you'll learn along the way. Let's get into it. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to build your own electric skateboard, from the motor and battery to the controller, remote, and charger, as well as a full-size skateboard deck. We even include every tool needed, with an Allen screwdriver, a wrench, and T-tool, along with all the hardware labeled in individual bags. There's no soldering and no extra parts to order. Everything you need is right inside the box. So here's exactly what's included. First up, we have the skateboard wheels, then the base plates, the front and rear hanger, risers, wheel pulley, rails, motor mount, brushless DC motor, electronic speed controller, battery, remote, belt, LED lights, battery charger, remote charging cable, 28-inch maple skateboard deck, all of the hardware in individual bags, and all the tools, which includes a spanner wrench, Allen screwdriver, and T-tool. Our step-by-step assembly tutorial and videos will walk you through every step of the process. There's no greater feeling than riding something that you just built with your very own hands. If you've never ridden an electric skateboard before, that's totally fine. We'll ease you into it with 4 speed modes from 3 to 8 miles per hour. So you can start slow and work your way up. The rechargeable battery lasts 45 to 90 minutes and can be easily swapped for a new one if you have extras. The best part is that you'll get hands-on with real engineering, from motors to batteries, gear ratios, and much more when assembling the board. Learn how a smart controller monitors live stats, such as speed, voltage, current, wattage, motor temperature, and even regenerative braking. Want to take the learning even further? You can learn to code with your own LED patterns using real-time data such as throttle, speed, and voltage, all inside a Google Chrome browser. This is just scratching the surface of what a Lectec kit is capable of. Modify it to your heart's content and electrify any vehicle, like a scooter, bike, wheelchair, or even your living room couch. We made this kit so you could build something real and discover what you're capable of along the way. And I can't wait to see what you create.